Manny Pacquiao versus Manuel Marquez.
Must obey. Good luck. Touch him up. Gonna suerte.
Chronological, but he's totally clean. But obviously, he's been able to execute that at any time. So both for this fight.
Natural counter puncher, and that's what he does best. He comes at him.
Comes to their ring age. His best.
He
aggressive. And that's all. Manny can be hit by the uppercut, but Manny delivers.
Taking the lead here.
So far, Marquez really hasn't done much. He was tagged pretty good by that shot. He was tagged pretty good by that shot. To me, shape. It's out of the way when this guy is.
Marquez to time him.
Move a little bit to the right. Each other, how they're going to score this.
But he's still waiting to get off. Because if he.
He drops Pacquiao for the first time in 4 fights. Manny's knocked down Manuel Marquez within the first 3 times. Look at these guys loading up
to see whether Marquez actually girding back to the counter puncher.
Marquez
literally dropped.
Here comes the bell and the whoa! How about that at the bell?
That
doesn't have to be as Christian.
My son Marcus to the canvas. I don't know if this
goes unless somebody's
done it at the end of a round. Which guy would I power? He might stay on the out. Make Manny be a little. I myself
walked into another right-handed man. Definitely is.
A minute ago that moved Manny.
We'll see how it ends being a actually his punch. That's going to be scored as a knockdown. There was a light left hook, a knockdown. There was a light left hook, a knockdown. There was a light left hook, but it was enough to get. He'll take the standing 8 count. No, he'll take the standing 8 count. No, he'll take the standing 8 count. No, he was more up. His package. That straight left hand by Manny. Just as
don't anymore.
Even though it was Marquez able to gobble that up. There's a shot. He doesn't hang up. Outstretched foot of Manny.
And it's only the 6th.
Boy, this is something. Knock Marquez
Deadly busted.
Yeah, I think you're right too. In all of the 5th round, the mouth hanging down, which is very dangerous to get hit. And he skips past high, down the middle. Every time
he definitely took something out of Marquez, like he was.
And in the back goes, it's broken. Right on top. The body shot. 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 I don't know if we can get up.
He hit him straight on the chin.
He got chin. He got chin. He got chin. He got chin. He got chin. He got chin. He got chin. He hit him with the body shot.